This will be Ryrie 2 and will be in the Bible folder. Now, before we even get into this Bible and what it does, I will say one thing that it starts with, and that is to say, read through the Bible in a year. And it has that done completely. So you can go all the way through that. And then the next thing it does before it gets into the Bible is does a chronological order of all the books in the Bible. So when you look at this here, you will see that chronology, and it shows you who wrote the books, when, and you see the order in which they were written. And that is also very helpful. Now, then when you go to the actual books of the Bible, it gives you what they're called, their classifications and so forth, and then their order and what page they're on. And then when you actually get into a book, as I say, it gives you the introduction to the Old Testament as such. Then it gets to the book of Genesis, and it does an introduction. And it gives you the author and the date, the contents of it. Now, one thing that's very helpful in here, one of many things that's very helpful in here is that every single book is given an outline, just like that. There is an outline of the book, so you can see there everything in that outline. Now, what that does is it has underneath it, in the outline itself, it has like the creation of the world, 1 and 2 to 25. Then it says A, the beginning of creation. B, the days of creation. C, the beginning of man and woman. Now, when you actually get into Genesis itself, you will notice that it has the very same thing in Genesis itself. So when you're in Genesis, you will see the same thing, A, B, and C. It'll show you exactly where you are now. So what you can do with this, if you like, you can go back into this outline and then find what you want. Now, say you're interested particularly in the history of Abraham, his family, the call of Abraham, and so on. You can actually go to the places in that Bible, chapter, verse, and find them. So you can use the outline in that way rather than going through the whole thing to get there. This will be Ryrie 2, will be in the Bible folder.